Welcome to my temporary minimalist apartment. It's a 549 square foot or 51 square meter, one bed, one bath located on the second floor, or if you're American, the third floor. I've lived here for 3 months now, so let me show you around. The entryway is small. There's not much to see here. It's where I keep my coat and shoes. I like it though. Some of my neighbors here don't have this entryway, so they step straight into their living room. I like to wear slippers at home. It keeps the house cleaner, and since the floor isn't insulated very well, it's also quieter for the neighbors below. Next up is the hallway. This doubles as my office. Against the wall is this beautiful knotwood desk. I also like this stylish white leather office chair on wheels. I had to take off the armrests though. They block me from sitting close to the desk. Because it's in the middle of the apartment, the hallway doesn't get much natural light. But I love how there's a brief period late in the afternoon when the sun comes in from the living room, right at this spot. To the left are built-in bookshelves. In the last couple of years, I've mostly read books on my e-reader because of its convenience. But I'm loving reading these paper books at the moment. The tactile feel of flipping the pages, reading from paper, even the smell. 3 books I finished recently are Donna Tartt's The Secret History, Start Something That Matters by Blake Mycoskie, and The Beach by Alex Garland. The apartment doesn't have a lot of storage. The main storage is behind this door. I'm living out of a single suitcase right now, so it's more than enough for me. The living room is the crown jewel of this apartment. It's spacious and has big windows that let in lots of natural light. The pull-out sofa bed is from IKEA. It's the Frihetten. I love sitting here in the morning with a cup of coffee, reading, catching a bit of sun, or simply looking out the window. The chaise longue has practical storage space for things like bed linen or throw pillows. It can also be converted into a comfortable bed for guests or for a movie night. Like with paper books, I haven't had a TV for years. Although I don't miss flipping through the channels, I am enjoying watching my favorite movies on a big screen again. The TV stand has 2 cabinets that are great for storing smaller items. To the right is this plant that I've grown very fond of. I named it Lola. It had just 1 leaf when I moved in. But with water, sunlight and a little love, Lola grew 2 more leaves. Meet Lolita and Lalo. I have gotten into this little routine of greeting each of them first thing in the morning. This marble accent wall adds a high-quality touch to the space and helps to separate the dining area from the living room. This is a cozy area to have dinner when I have guests over, or to work from if I don't want to sit in the hallway. The dinner table is made of teak wood. The dark grey chairs have an elegant design with a chrome metal frame. What I like most about this corner is the large wall mirror. It adds a lot of depth and helps bring some of the daylight to this part of the room. The kitchen is on the other side of the hallway. It's small, but has all the amenities I could ask for: a fridge, a stove, and a dishwasher. The cabinets contain enough space to store cups and plates. And these lights hidden underneath them help brighten up the kitchen countertop, which is great when cooking meals. On the other side is a tabletop cabinet that contains pots and pans. I keep the top as empty as possible, just a cutting board and a kettle. Since I make my coffee with an AeroPress, I don't lose precious space to a coffee machine here. Adjacent to the kitchen is a tiny balcony. It's just big enough to fit a small table and a chair. It's so nice though to have an outside area, especially on warmer days. I've lived in apartments without a balcony and you can really feel boxed in. And it's also nice to be able to open the balcony door to ventilate the kitchen when cooking. Just in front of the bathroom is an AEG top-loader washing machine, which is the perfect size for the little nook it's in. The bathroom was recently redone, but it's pretty small. Because of the limited space and how the pipes are positioned underneath the floor, the shower and the toilet are opposite of each other. It's not ideal, but I'm making it work. There are 2 drawers below the sink to store away toiletries, so I can keep the items I keep at the top of the sink to a minimum. The last room I want to show you is the bedroom. The bed is comfy and by far the biggest one I've ever slept in. The mattress is 180 centimeters wide and 220 centimeters long. It's almost too big. It reminds me of how big my parents' bed felt when I snuck into it when I was a little boy. I'm not sure how I feel about the wallpaper. I kinda like the gold, but brown isn't my color. But I love these built-in closets. They offer a lot of storage space, more than what you would need for your clothes, which is great because storage space is limited in the apartment. So that's what my temporary minimalist apartment looks like. If you want to see what the apartment I lived in before looked like, check out the video tour I made of that one a while back. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!